Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you a really cool A minor alternative open chord. Now this is what it looks like and sounds like. Now the first thing is we want to play that open E note or that sixth string. Just play it open. Then the fifth string, play that open A. The fourth string we're going to mute, and this is how we're going to mute it. We're going to take our index finger and bar it over the fifth fret at strings 3, 2, and 1. Your G, B, and E string. And when you bar it over, slightly press up against that fourth string to mute it. So I'll mute that fourth string with an index finger. Then I'll play the next two strings, the third and second string, the C and the E there, using that index finger. Then I'll place my pinky on the 8th fret of the first string to play that C. And when you play them all together, it sounds and looks like this. Again, that's a really cool A minor alternative open chord. Hope you enjoy the video and keep on jamming.